So hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. I'm here with hundreds of new sentences on daily routine so that you can practice more, learn more, and speak more with confidence. So what you're gonna do is listen to the sentences carefully and pause the video. In this video, I'm not only gonna give you the 100 sentences, but also give you the ground which sentence word to use. That's the main thing. Another thing you're gonna do is remember the sentences and start in front of a mirror and start practicing within yourself. I'm pretty much sure after watching this video, you're not gonna translate anything from your mother tongue to English, but sure that you're gonna think in English from your mind. So without getting much more delayed, let's get started. Now we're studying those sentences. I just woke up. I'm still sleepy. I'm getting out of bed. I'm making my bed. I'm opening the window. I'm stretching my body. I'm going to the bathroom. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm washing my face. I'm taking a bath. I'm getting dressed. I'm combing my hair. I'm applying lotion. I'm looking in the mirror. I'm cleaning the room. I'm folding my clothes. I'm preparing breakfast. I'm eating breakfast. I'm packing my bag. I'm filling my water bottle. I'm checking my phone. I'm replying the message. I'm wearing my shoes. I'm leaving home. I'm locking the door. I'm walking to the bus stop. I'm waiting for the bus. I'm sitting in the bus. I'm listening to music. I'm thinking about my day. I'm going to school. I'm entering the office. I'm starting my work. I'm checking my emails. I'm drinking water. I'm having tea. I'm taking a short break. I'm talking to my coworkers. I'm attending a meeting. I'm writing notes. I'm completing my tasks. I'm sending a report. I'm learning something new. I'm focusing on my work. I'm feeling a little tired. I'm going for lunch. I'm eating lunch. I'm washing my hands. I'm returning to work. I'm working on a project. I'm answering calls. I'm planning tomorrow's tasks. I'm finishing my work. I'm leaving the office. I'm going back home. I'm sitting in the bus. I'm sitting in the train. I'm scrolling social media. I'm reading something online. I'm talking about dinner. I'm entering my home. I'm changing my clothes. I'm washing my hands and face. I'm relaxing for a while. I'm drinking tea. I'm drinking coffee. I'm watching TV. I'm checking my to-do list. I'm calling my family. I'm talking with friends. I'm cooking dinner. I'm helping in the kitchen. I'm setting the table. I'm eating dinner. I'm cleaning the dishes. I'm wiping the table. I'm finishing the course. I'm taking a shower. I'm brushing my teeth again. I'm wearing night clothes. I'm preparing my bed. I'm planning tomorrow's work. I'm praying. I'm reading a book. I'm checking my phone a last time. I'm switching up the lights. I'm lying in the bed. I'm thinking about my day. I'm feeling thankful. I'm closing my eyes. I'm trying to sleep. I'm almost asleep. I'm having a peaceful mind. I'm relaxing my mind. I'm dreaming. I'm sleeping deeply. I wake up again if I need it. I go back to sleep. I'm resting well. I'm preparing for a new day. I'm ready to improve tomorrow. My day is complete. So that's what to this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.